What is going on, guys? It's Linesberry, and welcome back to our first video of 2019. Honestly, I don't know where this video is going to go. Pretty much what we're going to do in this video is, a lot of you guys know a while back, or like a while back, that I was telling you guys, I think I said in the import face-off video, that the support bracket for my DC Sports short ram failed, which I did get in contact with DC Sports, and well, I did twice. Don't get me wrong, excellent customer service, but I got in contact with them twice, and I finally actually got a replacement part, which we will be putting on in this video. And I want to talk about some of the future plans for the car and give a walk around for some of the people that might be new to the channel that might not recognize this or might want to know some things about the car. This is my 2007 FG1 Civic Coupe, or that's what the FG1 is. There's a Mugen Oil cap, Mugen power, radiator cap, Cusco racing battery tie down, DC Sports short ram intake. I have a throttle body spacer, Password JDM fender dress up kit. It's on MSR 92 wheels with painted calipers. It is lowered all the way around an inch. It's on I forgot what tires these are. These are Greenlander Sport MS 932s. They're 245, or no, 235, I think. If let's see, where is it? No, 225. I mean, 45 17s. That's all the way around. This is an auto. I just put in a new head unit not too long ago. We have our steering wheel cover I bought because my steering wheel is kind of fucked. Back here I have two new speakers I have to put in because one's in my rear already blown. This is the placement bracket that we're putting in today. We are sponsored by Mishimoto. We have a Mishimoto thermostat. Probably getting one of their radiators soon, but we are sponsored by Mishimoto. We also are sponsored by Devotees, Sticker Boost, and JEGS, which is a new sponsor we picked up not too long ago. But yeah, which, I mean, on Lawrence Springs, it's not that big of a gap. I am planning on getting coilovers. I'm saving up for those right now. This is my project car and daily. I bought this car a little bit over a year ago to pretty much have on the channel. This car is on Fitment Industries Gallery. This is my YouTube channel. Well, obviously you guys are on it. We have a tow hook. This is just a little cheap tow hook that we bought just for whenever we do autocross events. We have stock exhaust, which will be changing very soon, hopefully. It's dirty. I cleaned it the other day, but it's been storming for the last 2 days. I did completely repaint this car myself. Me and my uncle, of course. I still have window visors and a roof spoiler that have to go on, but obviously I have to wait for that. And I have Spec-D headlights with the halos not wired up because I really don't like the way the halos look in this thing, especially with the LEDs in there. I just kind of like it for the how it has the clearness without the yellow corner on it, which is why I got these. Plans for my car, like I said, I'm planning on getting coils hopefully this year when I graduate. And in the long run, I've active coils. I eventually want to get bags for this car. Another thing I really want to do is do a manual swap because this has the 5-speed auto and I want the 6-speed. So we'll be doing a swap, hopefully, if I can afford it. Another thing I want to do is, if this motor has 168,000 miles on it, I'll keep this motor here and probably until it actually dies. This is the R18. I don't know exactly which R18 it is, but it's just a generic R18. I want to supercharge this thing, or possibly turbo it after I do the swap, obviously, because don't really need a supercharged automatic or a turbo automatic Civic. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna get to swapping this out. Put the camera down and again try to get this off. Myself today, I don't know where my tripod is, and I kind of want to test out these new wrench set I bought offline, because I mean, I already have tools, but I had a $20 Walmart gift card and these were on sale, so I just bought a 11-piece set, and then I bought a socket set, which is actually waiting on to come in. It's probably going to come in while we're filming this. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pull this off. We're gonna pull the replacement part out, and we'll get back to you guys. Okay, so one thing I noticed right off the bat, this is not the same bracket, but I'm guessing, because I know I'm not the only person that had this issue with these. I think they just like re-engineered them, but it's very similar. I'm hoping that it'll work the same, because I really don't think this is the same bracket, but it feels a little bit stiffer. It looks like it's just actually a bent bracket instead of it being welded on the end like that. So we're gonna pull this one off and then swap it over, and I'll catch back up to you guys when I'm done with that. Okay, after finally getting the part out, this is what the bracket that came with my intake. I don't know if it's snapped in half or broke in half during the winter, because I mean, it got colder than what it usually does in Louisiana. It got down to like 20 degrees one time, and I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I got on it a lot during the winter for the sole purpose of I wanted to hear my intake. But this is the new one. It looks like it, I can't tell if that's just because it's bent metal right there. It has some weird looking texture. This GoPro's not about to pick this up, but pretty much what it does, you take this this washer, it slides back up on this bushing, the rubber bushing right here, and it connects. And speak of the devil, ooh, okay, what the fuck, FedEx is supposed to be dropping me off my fucking socket set. I just called our buddy Fat down the street to see if I can borrow a 10 mil because I couldn't find one, and lo and fucking behold, FedEx drives by. Dude stops at the end of my driveway and just pulls off. I don't know if I recorded that clip on the camera, but the FedEx guy literally drove past my house. I think, like I said, I think I did. I don't know if I did though. He came back and dropped it off. But this is our little tool. I think it's a 30-piece fucking tool set by Stalwart. I'm going to open this up because I'm using a razor blade instead of a box cutter. I'm cutting everything except the fucking thing. Okay, so like I said, I bought all this off of Walmart's website because I kind of wanted to test out the quality of their products. I usually use Husky or Milwaukee or something like that, but it's a hyper tough combination wrench set and a Stalwart 40 or Stalwart, how the fuck you want to say that, 40-piece socket set. We got to open this up. Now, for both of these, I spent a total of $18 on Walmart's website. They were on sale in Rollback, and yes, I'm using my foot to hold this now for me to peel this paper off, because this is not the easiest thing for me to grab for some freaking reason. I'm scratching the damn case up already. But let's see. Put my finger all over the damn lens. How do we open this? Alright, so there's a little latch in the front. The plastic case is doesn't feel too cheap. And you pop it open to give you a little nice protective cover. Let's see, you get a whole bunch of sockets. Let's see, I don't even know how small this is. This is you get from a 4 mil all the way up to a damn 17 mil, and then you have everything from a 5.3 to a 11/16. You get a decently looking torque wrench, ratchet. You get an extension. Looks decent quality. Probably is going to snap within the first couple uses. Screwdriver, which isn't a real screwdriver, attaches to the damn sockets, and then this big motherfucker right here. This is the damn 13/16 or 21 mil. So this is a 21 mil fucking socket, which I don't know. That's just kind of random. But we're gonna go ahead and put the new bracket in. We already have it mounted. Well, not mounted. It's in, but it's not tight. So we're gonna test out this new. Okay, so we have the piece back on. That was a lot harder than what it should have been, for the sole purpose that I was supposed to take the freaking PCM off, but I didn't feel like ripping out all this other shit to get the PCM off to get to that. But it's on. It's not going anywhere. It's rigid. Hopefully this one doesn't do like the last one and snap. That rubber bushing should actually save it, or it shouldn't break because it's not getting 20 degrees outside. But yeah, that's our new tool set. our new socket set and our new wrench set that we bought, about $18–19. So that's it for this video. I was going to get to the speakers, but it's about the rain and I'm not trying to deal with weather and electronics at the same time. So hope you guys enjoyed this small video. I know it wasn't much. I'm trying to post more very soon. I was supposed to go to a meet last night, but I had work this morning. So I'm trying to make it to the next meet if possible, or to the next show, or might be hosting my own meet with my small car group that I host, or that I am the leader of. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitch, or Instagram. I almost said Twitch. I don't even Twitch anymore. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @OneLowFG1Trey. Don't forget to use my code on Sticker Boost, which is the Lions Berry. I don't have a code for JEGS, but if you guys go on Instagram, you should be able to get 5% off with them. And then my 5% off code with Mishimoto is DBG1, or it should still be DBG1. But yeah, I'll link this intake if I can find it in the description if you guys want to get to it. Or if you guys want anything that I've said or you've seen on this car, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to put it there if I can get back in time to you guys. But I'm definitely going to link these if you guys want this wrench, or this socket set's actually not that trash as I thought it would be. But see you guys later. Peace.